Okay, so I am currently freehanding it, so please excuse the wiggle and jiggle. This is the monopod, or the ultrapod. This is how I film my, I use this primarily for filming local eats. This little piece of shit tripod is just a plastic turd, so it's not really that great, which is why I upgraded to this Manfrotto. It's taller, it's better, proven company quality. It's just excellent. And of course, my carbon fiber Manfrotto tripod, which I love. That level. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be revealing the new camera. In fact, I'm filming on it right now. And I've got my Nikon set up on the other tripod because we're going to be doing a little camera inception here. We're going to reveal the camera finally. Get this guy turned on. Come on. Actually, let's do a little turn because the lady house behind me commented about, "You're not filming in my home, are you?" And I said, "Nope." So, all right, let's end recording on this one, and we'll switch. Alrighty, here she is, the big reveal. And I'm gonna turn the light out. There we go. This is the Canon G7X. I got this at Camera, and it was used. I got the price right here. Of course, I had to leave it in the camera bag, which I'll show you in this video as well. But used, it was $349.50. And if you're thinking, "Damn, that's expensive," yeah, but this Nikon was actually $399. So yeah, that's about what you pay for cameras. So let's. I'm sure you guys want to see details. So this has a flip screen, just like the other one. In fact, let's save some battery power. As you can see, it cuts in. I got it on my other tripod, so it's got a jack here for the plug it into a computer. It has a battery charger, which I left at home. I didn't think I needed to bring that. Record button, all the settings, power button, zoom, and then the locator, the switch for the like video, audio, picture, like that. And then I'm sure a pro photographer could explain it better. The mic's right here, is what I was told. Now, it probably looks funny having such a small camera on such a large tripod, but I'll pan out and show you. To me, it seems kind of comical to have it on such a big tripod, but you know, if I'm just out with the car at the park, you know, this is a great setup because you got to have a tripod, and it's important. So, yeah. So, wow, I lost my train of thought. So yeah, the Lumix was much bigger, and let me throw some numbers at you over here. Alright, so we're back on the Canon now. So the Canon camera by itself is 11.2 ounces. With the case, which I'll show you in a moment, it's 1 pound and then 1.3 ounces. So, and this Nikon by itself is 8.3 ounces, and then with the case and additional batteries, it is a 12 ounces, 12.6 ounces with all that together. So, and let me turn you down and show you the batteries. Okay, wasn't sure if it's recording or not. So this is a case for the Nikon. It's just a simple little case I've just had laying around. And what's in here? Just an empty bag and Oh, a screw piece. I forget what I was using that for. Anyway, put that back. So this is for the Nikon. Now this bag I've actually had for a while. It was just laying around the house, which, you know, I knocked all the dust off best I could, so I didn't have to go out and buy. It's just a Tech Digital camera bag, which holds the camera perfectly well. These are spare batteries. Now I don't bother carrying an extra SD card because I use a 32 gig SD card and I've never filled one up. The batteries are here. NB13L for Canon. I got 2 spare batteries. That's what these are. And then these are spare batteries for the Nikon. Okay, so decided to just go get the Nikon since I keep mentioning it. So these are for this. I forgot how much I paid for both of these. One of these batteries by itself was $55. So I'm looking at about $120. Well, 60 bucks a piece after tax. So about $120 in just batteries. Which, you know, people have asked me, why don't I just get this? Why don't I get that? Why don't I get audio? Why don't I do this? It's like, well, because that one battery is $55. Cameras are expensive. I mean, I was looking at some Sonys that were well into the 800s or more just for one camera. That doesn't include batteries. I mean, they're great cameras, but it's a lot of money to shell out just for a fun hobby, which is what YouTube for me is. It's just a fun hobby. So, all right. So what I wanted to do is real quick throw this in there, but this is a setup I use when I'm filming my local eats. I'll set this on the dash. Hang on, excuse me, had a fit of sneezing. Anyway, I'll set this on the camera while I'm recording local eats, both driving and also eating. So because it's a smaller, lightweight, it's a good setup. I love this Ultrapod. I hope you can still get them. They might have a new one or a new model available. I'll have to look on Amazon, but anyway, that's kind of the setup. I decided to throw that in there. Well, there you go. That's the camera. I will try to look it up on Amazon and put it in the description of the video so you guys can go look at the specs and whatnot. I think I got all the weights. Oh, you know what? I thought I'd throw this in too. Forgot to mention it. The weight of the tripod, that's the carbon fiber tripod, just the tripod and the head, is 5 pounds, 1.8 ounces. And this one here, this tripod, is only 3 pounds, 4 ounces with the head and the quick release, but not the camera. So yeah, I got this. Yeah, I saved 2 pounds, but you know, it's worth it. Plus I can actually film on film and do all kinds of cool stuff. So, and if I want to run any time lapse, I can just set this up somewhere, let it run. Or I could use this little guy here if I decide to bring it. Just set it, let the time lapse run, which some I want to look into doing more. I actually found a specific. I actually would think about getting a camera. Excuse me, just to do time lapse on. But we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's the camera, which I'm actually filming on. So appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I fired up Friday with this camera already last Friday, and then I filmed cast iron Wednesday, and also that bagel breakfast sandwich was shot on this too. So, and nobody seemed to notice, so I'm pretty happy with it so far. So knock on wood. Do I have some wood handy? Yeah. So here's to being able to issue free YouTube shooting. All right, well thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.